What if the meal that sets the tone for your entire day could also help you stay full longer, support your muscles, maintain steady energy, and make healthy eating much easier? For many people, breakfast is either skipped or filled with sugary cereals, pastries, or processed foods that leave them hungry again just a short time later. A high-protein breakfast can be a smarter way to start your day. Protein helps build and repair muscles, supports healthy bones, helps your body produce important enzymes and hormones, and may increase feelings of fullness after eating. Combined with fiber-rich carbohydrates and healthy fats, a balanced breakfast can provide long-lasting energy throughout the morning. The good news? You don't need expensive ingredients or complicated recipes. Many delicious, high-protein breakfasts can be prepared in just a few minutes using everyday foods. In today's video, we'll explore 6 healthy and high-protein breakfast plate ideas that are balanced, nutritious, and easy to make. Let's begin. Protein is one of the 3 major nutrients your body needs every day. Unlike refined carbohydrates that are digested quickly, protein digests more slowly. This may help you stay satisfied for longer. A protein-rich breakfast may also help reduce unnecessary snacking later in the day for some people. Of course, overall eating habits remain more important than any single meal. Let's look at 6 balanced breakfast plates. Our first breakfast is simple, classic, and packed with nutrition. Start with 2 boiled or scrambled eggs, 1 or 2 slices of whole grain toast, half an avocado. Add sliced tomatoes, cucumber, or spinach on the side. Eggs provide high-quality protein, vitamin B12, vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats. Whole grain bread contributes fiber, while avocado provides healthy unsaturated fats and potassium. This breakfast offers an excellent balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Our second breakfast requires almost no cooking. Fill a bowl with plain Greek yogurt. Top it with blueberries, strawberries, bananas, or other fresh fruit. Sprinkle over chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, or almonds. Finish with a small amount of rolled oats if desired. Greek yogurt contains considerably more protein than regular yogurt. The fruit provides vitamins and antioxidants. Seeds contribute healthy fats and fiber. Together, they create a satisfying and refreshing breakfast. Oatmeal becomes even more nutritious when combined with protein-rich foods. Prepare rolled oats using milk or a fortified plant-based milk. Then add peanut butter, almond butter, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese on the side. Top with banana slices, walnuts, and cinnamon. Oats provide soluble fiber. Protein helps increase fullness, and nuts add healthy fats. This breakfast provides steady energy throughout the morning. If you've never tried cottage cheese for breakfast, you might be surprised. It's naturally rich in protein. Serve cottage cheese with fresh pineapple, peaches, berries, apple slices, or kiwi. Add a handful of walnuts or almonds. Pair it with whole grain crackers or toast. This breakfast is creamy, refreshing, and packed with nutrients. An omelet is one of the easiest ways to include vegetables early in the day. Whisk 2 or 3 eggs. Add spinach, bell peppers, mushrooms, tomatoes, onions, or broccoli. Cook with a small amount of olive oil. Serve alongside whole grain toast and fresh fruit. This breakfast delivers protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and colorful vegetables. Some mornings are busy. A smoothie can be an excellent option. Blend together milk, Greek yogurt, banana, frozen berries, spinach, oats, and peanut butter. Serve the smoothie alongside a boiled egg, whole grain toast, or a handful of mixed nuts. This combination provides protein, fiber, healthy fats, and plenty of vitamins. Creating healthy breakfasts doesn't have to be complicated. A simple formula works well. Choose one protein source, add one whole grain carbohydrate, include healthy fats, and finish with fruits or vegetables. Examples of protein include eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, milk, beans, tofu, or lean meats. Whole grains include oats, whole grain bread, brown rice, or quinoa. Healthy fats include avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Colorful fruits and vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. So, what are 6 healthy and high-protein breakfast plate ideas? Eggs with whole grain toast and avocado. Greek yogurt with fruit and seeds. Protein oatmeal. Cottage cheese with fruit. Vegetable omelet. And a protein smoothie plate. Remember, no single breakfast is perfect for everyone. The healthiest breakfast is one that fits your lifestyle, provides balanced nutrition, and helps you stay energized throughout the day. Combine healthy eating with regular physical activity, quality sleep, proper hydration, stress management, and routine medical checkups. Because long-term health isn't built by one meal. It's built through healthy choices repeated every single day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more evidence-based health facts and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.